up, guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 25. I cannot believe it is literally the last Vlogmas. I just want to say I had so much fun doing Vlogmas. I had so much fun connecting with you guys and just sharing with you guys the beautiful season that it is, Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas, and we're gonna end out with a bang. So it's currently 8 a.m. I woke up at 7 today. I showered, and today is our family's Christmas party, so we're spending the whole day like getting everything ready. I'm starting off the day with baking some cookies because I am going to brunch with some friends and I want to take them some cookies for Christmas. And I also saw this recipe on TikTok that I've just been dying to try, so I'm gonna do that this morning, and then I'm just going to get ready for the day. So let's start baking these cookies. These look so yummy. I can't wait to open one and just see the chocolate goodness. I'm gonna let them cool off, and then I'm gonna go get ready, and then I'll come back and package them. Okay, so I'm all ready. Here's what I'm wearing to brunch. I didn't have time to iron a single thing, so looking a little crazy. I'm wearing this tank sweater from H&M with this blazer, these trousers from ASOS. They're like my favorite trousers. They fit so like comfortably. They're nice and flowy, my Air Forces, and then my favorite bag. But this is basically what I'm wearing. I think I'm gonna wear this all day long because it's really comfortable and it looks like formal, but it's also really comfortable. So I think I'm gonna wear this all day for today's festivities. So I'm gonna go pack up the cookies, and then we're gonna head off to Brunch. Okay, I'm just gonna test out how chocolatey they are. Aww. Maybe it's because they're not like fresh out the oven. Can you taste it to see if it tastes good?
A little cooked on the bottom, but it's good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Can I try a little? That looks good. Mmm. That's really good. Alrighty, so brunch is done. I had so much fun with the girls. We just enjoyed some drinks, some food. We chatted. It was such a great time. And then I came to pick up these charcuterie trees that I got for tonight's festivities. And it's basically a charcuterie board in the form of a Christmas tree. It's so beautiful. It's from this local business, Take a Sweet. The owner, Kim, is amazing. Like, she does such a good job for every occasion. She actually did our wedding cake, and she was doing these charcuterie Christmas trees, so I picked up 2 of them for tonight. I'll give you guys a closer look once I open them, but I love the packaging already. It's so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna head home now. I do have an errand to run. I need to go get some firewood because we want to do a bonfire tonight, and then we also want to do what else, and I also have to pick up a few gift bags because we have a few gifts I wasn't able to wrap yesterday, so gonna do that, and then we're gonna get started on cooking for tonight and getting everything ready. I'm gonna walk my sister. Are you guys ready to be my audience? I'm gonna walk my sisters through, and you guys, making my corn pudding. It's really bomb and really good, and it's probably one of the easiest like side dishes. You guys are gonna be shocked. All you have to do is pour everything in here, mix it, and then put it on the pan. Okay, I'm just gonna beat 6 eggs together. Then you put a whole 16 ounce of sour cream. I know it's kind of crazy, but it makes it taste delicious. So you do 2 cans, then, oh, Dios mío.
It's okay, we can clean after.
I'm doing 2 cans of whole kernel, and you do the liquid with it too. So you put the whole thing. It's a lot easier to mix everything as you go, as opposed to like waiting at the end, because then as it gets fuller, it gets harder. So I just mix everything as I go. Also do 2 cans of cream style. This is just corn creamed. I'm not sure with what, but it's a lot different consistency.
They're probably just...
Yeah. Then I do 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix. So 1. So you just mix this on up. I just did a box of the, you're gonna do 2, but I kind of like mixing 1 at a time. Can you believe a whole 16 ounce of sour cream goes into this?
I know.
Oh, crazy. Then I pour in 1 whole cup of sugar. How did you think the corn pudding was made?
Me?
Yeah, like if you were to think about.
I just would have guessed with the sour cream, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, right? 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then the last ingredient is a whole stick of cooled butter, but I didn't have enough time to let this cool, so I just threw it right in there out of the microwave. And then I kind of just take my time putting everything. The recipe that I follow calls for 2 sticks of butter, but when I taste it with the 2 sticks, it tastes very, like, I don't know the word, but there's an aftertaste to it, because I think it's like way too much butter. So I just do 1 stick instead of 2 sticks, because 2 sticks is 2 whole sticks is a lot of butter. Not like 2 halves.
Not like
Yeah. Okay, so basically that's how you make it, and then you pour it into a sheet, and then you bake it at 350 for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then you have some yummy corn pudding. Took out the charcuterie board that I picked up earlier today, and this is how it looks. It's so cute. It's in the shape of a Christmas tree, and it has just a bunch of deliciousness. It has French brie, Swiss, goat, machengo, pepperoni, prosciutto, and salami. It looks so cute. I love it. Do you like it, honey? Mm-hmm.
I gotta go.
Yeah. Put it right here.
There's one when
Now it's recording.
you look tired.
Ready? Ready?
It's a melt.
Go.
Go. Oh!
Nice.
You go back.
Yeah, you have one, Sean.
No way.
Don't look at that.
Open the damn gift. Open the damn present.
Wow, car. Tienen pisto aquí en esta casa.
Who's Carter?
Oh, but I love
Say, oh
it.
man.
I believe it's called Chien.
Cartier. That's not the gift, buddy.
Wow.
New ring.
A box within a box within a box. Wow.
New ring. What?
One more box.
I do.
She said I do.
Now you can.
Bro.
Wow, it's blinky.
Now you can get rid of this rubber band.
Throw the trash. Damn.
I do.
Wow.
Here's the aftermath of our Christmas party today. Not too bad. We put all the food away, but we're gonna do all the dishes and everything tomorrow morning because it's 2 a.m. and we're tired. But before I close out the last Vlogmas of 2021, I just want to say I love you.
I love you.
Also, today was literally a Christmas for the books. Does that make sense? Family time was just amazing, and I feel like it was extra, honey, like for the books because in instances like this when like the world is so uncertain and stuff, like with everything going on, I feel like you value family time 10 times more.
Yeah.
You know, like to be able to gather and have good quality time with family. So we enjoyed it. We opened up gifts, and this is what Eric got me for Christmas. I don't think I showed you guys, but what are these called, honey?
Those are called the Toasty Dunks.
The Toasty Dunks. They looked nice and toasty and cozy, and it's made up out of so much different material. They're just super cozy. I was about to say, I think I'm gonna wear these tomorrow, and then I like pictured me showing you guys wearing it tomorrow, but I'm not gonna be vlogging tomorrow because tomorrow's Christmas. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas. I had so much fun. It was such a great experience. I enjoyed it so much. Definitely going to be doing it in the future. And it just motivated me to be a lot more dedicated and focused with YouTube. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.